Hi friends, in this video I'll show you the assembly of 100Ah luminous battery with Amaron inverter. There are 6 battery fluid liquid indicators provided in the pack with the warranty card. Company provides full replacement warranty for 72 months. This is 12 volt Amaron 880 VA inverter with pure sine wave. Inverter setup is completely done. Now I am turning off the particular MCB for that room. Now I am going to show you how to power the whole room using this inverter. Red color wire is for phase, black is for neutral. I have added an MCB for short circuit protection. I am plugging that into the socket and turning on the switch. Actually, it works in a reverse way. Normally, we give a red wire to that particular appliances we want, but this works in a reverse way. This is solar charge controller with supports 12 volt and 24 volt. Its maximum current is 30 amps. First two terminals is solar, second two terminals are two terminals are battery, third one is output, 12 volt output. Or if you connect 24 volt battery, it will give you 24 volt battery output, and you can see the two USB charging ports, and it supports three battery: lithium ion, lead acid, and lithium ferrophosphate. Always you should connect battery to solar charge controller first. You should not connect directly solar wires. I have added an MCB for solar panel supply. I have added a fan and a tube light. Both works on 12 volt. That output is taken from the solar charge controller. You can see that the power from the solar panels is charging the battery at 12 volts constantly. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe.